Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ubah Presiden Nongshong beri sumbut midrang ba kajela ubah kami ikatanat kampo iyang ulang bagi isu kebelajar mentah garihus atan masa District Council kamdan Jingïadei AARM barki isu inline permit kat kumbala kentho dikiseng bahalang baper hagi jinga kram bikilap thai kubor hagi khatwai duk leber arajar phonril ubah Nongshong lo angru bagi wepat gejak bendri ke besang basa hari lum garo kidehi Nongshong Shnong bapura jong gejala Meghalaya bat kri India bat penkesan syu bagi jingdawa jenggiseng bahalang kedebet panom ailat iki wepat gejak bendri banishim benta hagi election MDC jong Garo Hills atan masa District Council.
Well, this issue is being examined right now. I can't just come to a conclusion, but it appears so. It seems, the village, heated these people, maybe from the crowd, but as of now, I can't say anything on that. Let the inquiry only goes in detail, and we will be able to tell you exactly. Yes, this conversation is taken care of. And then we have already instructed the district administration to make sure that the medical treatment has to be provided fully. As I said to you, see, right now I can't say anything about all this because see the concentration of the government as of today is to make sure that the situation is subsided completely. And yes, I think a minutes back, I received the information that, of course, now public started to disperse to their respective places. Relating to this nitty-gritty of this issue, I will not be able to tell you right now. Let the cabinet decide tomorrow because we are sitting by 5 o'clock in the evening, and then we will again come back to you once the decision is taken by the cabinet. Well, I think this is the subject is totally different. You can't link it to ILP because this one is not about the ILP. This is about the election to the Garo Hills District Council. But the NGOs say so. Well, the NGOs can't say. But let me also say, you need to understand one thing. That's what I'm telling you. Don't mix up with ILP. Because this one is what? The NGO says no non-tribal be allowed to participate in the election. They cannot file. They cannot file nomination. I think that is the aspiration of these people. So why should you link it with the ILP? And these people also, they are genuine citizens of Meghalaya, of India. So therefore, don't link it. Please delink it completely with this incident that has happened in Garo Hills.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.